Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a coconut bonsai at home by yourself. So this is a coconut, as you can see. I have put this coconut under tree on a shady place for say about a month, and you can see like these leaves are coming out, leaves are grown. So what I need to do is I need to remove the skin. So as you can see here, I am removing the skin, the husk of the coconut. So carefully remove the husk so that the germinated part, the leaves which have come out, doesn't get damaged. So I am just cutting the husk to make the bonsai. So this is how you need to remove it. Here I have removed half of the husk. It will take some time, but do it slowly and remove it nicely without damaging the plant which have come out of the coconut. So just watch, I'm removing it. It is a bit hard, but if your cutter is sharp, it will remove easily. So this is how you need to remove. So here I have already removed the complete husk, coconut husk from the coconut. So look here. Okay, so I have removed it, as you can see. And now I will clean the coconut shell nicely and make it clean. So just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to clean the shell. So take a sharp cutter and just clean the shell of the coconut. Alright, so I am cleaning it. And here also you need to be careful. So as you can see, the roots should not be damaged. So do slowly and carefully. The roots are very delicate, as you can see, as it was inside the husk, and its color, as you can see here, its color shows how delicate it is. So do not damage the root, otherwise the bonsai will not grow properly. So this is how it will look. And now I am removing the part which are below the roots. I'm cleaning it. Clean it slowly and carefully. Alright, so I'm cleaning it, and clean all the shell, the complete shell, thoroughly, and so that it looks beautiful and it looks clean. And this is one of the part to make a bonsai, beautiful bonsai. So I have already completed, almost completed, as you can see here. I have cleaned the complete coconut shell, so it will look like this. Alright, so now what I'll do, I am going to cut this portion, the cover, the topmost cover of the stem, coconut stem, which has come out. I will clean it. I need to remove this. So be careful, because if it gets hard, if it cuts deeply, then the coconut bonsai will be damaged. So be careful, remove it slowly, and also take a sharp cutter. It is very important that the cutter needs to be sharp. So like this, I will remove the top layer of the stem to make the bonsai. This is the most important part, so just keep watching. Carefully remove it. Alright, now I will remove the second part. As you can see here, this is the second part. In this second part, as you can see here, I have already cut in small pieces. I have so that it becomes easy for me to remove the second layer from the stem. So this is how I have cut, and now I am removing it one by one. And if you do like this, the main stem do not get hard, and you can cut it easily. So just part it in small pieces and then cut like this. Okay, all right, I am almost done. I have already completed removing the second layer. So the third layer, I will keep it like this for say about a month, until it gets dry and the leaves become mature. So it will look like this. All right, so you to cut like this with a sharp cutter to make a coconut bonsai at home, and it is very easy, as you can see. All right, now I will dip this coconut in water for some time so that it absorbs water. Okay, so I have kept in a bucket of water. All right, this is the soil mixture in which I will plant it. The soil mixture is of 20% compost, 20% sand, 20% garden soil, 20% of rice husk, and 20% of cocoa peat. Mix them well and it will be a perfect mixture, soil mixture for coconut bonsai. And I'm planting this coconut in this mixture. I'm just covering the roots of the coconut which has come out, and I will keep it like this for say about a month. And the second part, which I need to again remove the third layer, it will take about a month, because the stem need to be little bit matured so that it becomes hard, otherwise it will get damaged. So, and now I am pouring some water over the coconut shell. So this is how you can make a beautiful coconut bonsai, and it will take the shape of a bonsai within a year. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.